Before install it, I will introduce the structures. Okay. This is a soldering iron. This is the alcohol. This is the pliers, and this is the soft nose pliers. Please prepare 2 spanners. Okay. Hello, this is a machine, same as yours. Now we can see many screws on the back of the machine. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other side also has 4 screws. Please remove them. And on the 2 sides, we can see 2 screws, 1, 2, and the other side also has 2 screws. Please remove them, okay? Then we can take apart this cover and we can see inside of this machine. If you can see the glue on the wires, please use the alcohol to make it loose and remove the glue. Okay? After removing the glue, we can see this part inside of this machine. Now I will make this part to your stator and then tell you how to install it. Okay? From the picture you sent me, we can see this part, and we can see inside of this machine. It should be these stators. Okay. Now I will show you how to install it. Okay. Okay. To cut the plastic outside the wires, and then we can see the wires inside of this plastic. Okay, like this. 可以。就从这头上我看。Then please use the soldering iron to make some tin on it. Then install it like this. And the other side, put this side onto it. Then we can see a screw nut. Put it on. Put it on. And rotate it.
啊，跟他说，这个有2个小点儿，看到没？一个从上，一个从下。
We can see 2 small ports on this part. 你手指一下。Okay, 1 and 2. Please make their directions to up and down. Okay. Okay, then use a spanner. On the other side, use a spanner too. And rotate it and tighten it. Like this. And this side also need to rotate and tighten it like this.
不弄。
可以吧？
行。行。
只要保证这上下两个点是上下的就行。Okay. At last, please keep the 2 ports. Make them direction to up and down. OK.
你看加的时候不要太使劲，如果这个圈变形了的话，你那个这老笔就差不多。
OK, please be careful. Don't make this circle broken. OK. 然后要打胶是吗？Then use a soldering iron to tighten it. Okay, it's finished. We can see this status. It is a finally status. This is the other side of the parts.